I might give you a quick tour of the garden so far. My 2021 March 21st garden update. So here we go. So first of all, we've got my grow bags full of potatoes. The front few here are my home guard potatoes. They're first earlies, and the back ones there are Orlas, which are good light resistant varieties apparently. I think they're first early, some people call them second earlies. We'll see what happens. Then we have delightfully put in some paving, which we got for free from the farmer. I have received my edible hedge, so they are all in containers because I am currently renting my plot. So very conscious I may have to get up and move at any stage. So it's good to have the pots ready. So I have dog rose, wild apple, here's some elder, wild pear, hazel, hawthorn, blackthorn, good few different things anyway. Here are my two dog roses as well, and here is mighty Constance the composter. I love her, she's doing really well. There's plenty of worms in there, I think also a mouse or two, but sure, I'm sure they're just aerating the soil, aren't they? So I've got a potato bed here. These are my Orlas as well. Starting to get some flowers in. And there's my cranberries. This is my underwear. Let's not look at those because it is fine, mighty drying weather today. So of course we've got to have to laundry out. So then we've got a little bed there of, or a little herb pot as well. So then we've got a little herb pot full of lavender and rosemary. So let's have a look at these guys. These are some of my beetroot, which are doing well. They're finally starting to get some real leaves. So I have different types of, well, mostly Pablo, and then a mixed variety, different colors as well, because I'm excited to look at the different colors. Then here we have my gorgeous spinach, which are finally looking like spinach. Wonderful. And then here we have some of my radishes, which are thriving. I have multi-sown them, 3, 4, 5 in a clump, and they seem to be doing well. No sign of radishes just yet, but we're doing good. Just tidy these up again so I don't get any damage. So then I have interplanted my borders with some wildflowers in here, so I'm going to try not stand on them. Definitely navigating my garden is becoming more difficult. So here we have a raspberry bush, which is also thriving. That's my lavender, my rosemary, cranberry here. Some more violas, which I'm loving because they're the only thing with colour at the moment in the garden. Blackberry bushes, and then here we have my bed of lettuce. And they are beautiful. Here we go, looking lovely and colourful. So I've got some crisp head at the end, mixed lettuce, and then some orientals here in the front. See how they go. And then I'm going to show you my beautiful peas. These are meteor peas. They're first, like kind of early peas. So we'll see what happens there. I think they're a bush variety. Don't have any trellis yet, but we'll see if they need them. There's going to be more peas there at the back. So here is my wonderful new strawberry hanger planter. The little bums and jeans. I absolutely adore this. This is never going to be unseen again. Absolutely gorgeous. Another potato bed between there as well. Really trying to cram in lots of space here. I had some leftover lettuce seedlings. They were a bit too leggy, but sure, I planted them out and we'll see what happens. Planted a few inside here as well. I just love all the different textures. Hope you can see them. I have a little pot here going of parsley as well. And then here you can see I have planted out some cornflowers, which are starting to come out as well. Just a little row along all the beds. And inside here we have my other lettuce seedlings, also doing well. Just really couldn't throw away any of my seedlings, so that's what happens. I just end up overfilling everything. And here we have my recently planted onions, and I interplanted with some more radish as well recently. So they're looking lovely and healthy. They were just planted this morning. Some more radish there at the end. And then really the last part of the tour is these magnificent rhubarb. Look at the size of that leaf. It's just so huge, and I love the look of this guy. This temporally early Beautiful, beautiful colours. One of them though there in the middle got eaten by all the slugs when it was just a tiny little baby. So that didn't do so well. And then some more edible hedge plants and my Christmas tree. Just a little disclaimer, this greenhouse, although magnificent, is not mine. It belongs to the landlord who lives in the bottom half of our house. I live in the top half. And those cows, gorgeous creatures, are also not mine, nor is this broken down ghost tractor. And then I'll just quickly show you what's inside of the greenhouse. I have some marigolds here. I think the label has been washed off, so that's not very helpful. I've got some leek growing, which seem to be doing well. Some cornflowers, some more spinach at the back. Then in here we have some chard, spring onions, my tomato babies. Two varieties there, Gardener's Delight and some Sungold. And then here we've got some leftover peas, which I'm growing just for shoots at this stage. My new, slightly later peas, which are coming along nicely. Some other flowers, I think they were calendula, or the other ones were calendula. And then some parsley. So that's as far as I got. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll make sure to give you guys an update as my garden blooms and I'm grooming it as I go. Talk to you then.